candidate of India's ruling National Democratic Alliance, Dروپدی مرمو, on Thursday won the presidential election after crossing the 50% mark of the total votes at the third round of counting. Mermu, 64, will become the second female president and the first person from India's tribal community to occupy the country's top constitutional post. In the election held on July the 18th, she defeated her rival Yashwant Sinha, who was fielded as a joint candidate by the opposition parties. Starting off as a school teacher, Mermu from India's eastern state of Odisha began her political career with today's main ruling party, the Bharatiya Janata Party, in 1997. She was the first female governor of the eastern Jharkhand state from 2015 to 2021.